Ever wonder what makes baked goods fresh? Today we're talking about the perception of freshness and how it influences consumers' purchasing behaviors. A lot has changed in the food industry over the past several years. Consumers can purchase products from a greater variety of places, including grocery stores, online retailers, C-stores, and delivery service apps. But one thing that hasn't changed is the desire for freshness. It's still the #1 factor that consumers consider when purchasing baked goods. And they'll think twice about a repeat purchase if they're disappointed. So how do consumers assess the freshness of baked goods? Taste, of course, is still the biggest factor. If a product tastes too dry, is gummy, or has an off flavor, consumers aren't likely to purchase it again. But before they even have the chance to taste it, recent research by Corbion shows that 62% of consumers check appearance, texture, or softness to determine the freshness of baked goods. And these are the most important influencers of their purchase decision. These aren't the only considerations, however. A chemical or other off-putting smell can be a deal breaker. And shoppers want baked goods that feel soft but not squishy. They also want to hear the crunch of an artisan bread when they break off a piece or take a bite. Sensory cues help consumers evaluate freshness and ultimately decide which baked goods to purchase and enjoy. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date on the latest food news by signing up at thebakerstake.com.